Hello? My name is Daniel. I am from Texas, in the United States. I am 22 years old. I am a student, and I also work in a small coffee shop. Today is a very special day for me because I meet many new people. I want to tell you my story. This morning I wake up early. I look in the mirror and I say, "Good morning, Daniel." I smile at myself because I want to start the day happy. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and eat some breakfast. After breakfast, I say to my mom, "Good morning, Mom." She smiles and says, "Good morning, Daniel." Have a good day. I put on my jacket and go outside. On the street, I see my neighbor. His name is Mr. Brown. He is an old man, but he is very kind. I wave and say, "Good morning, Mr. Brown." He laughs and says, "Good morning, Daniel. How are you today?" I say, "I'm fine, thank you." "How are you?" He says, "I'm good. Have a nice day." I continue walking. At the bus stop, I see a young woman. She looks new in the neighborhood. I smile and say, "Hello, my name is Daniel. What is your name?" She says, "Hi, Daniel. My name is Maria. I'm from Mexico." I say, "Nice to meet you, Maria." She says, "Nice to meet you too." We wait for the bus together. I ask, "How old are you, Maria?" She says, "I am 20 years old." "And you?" I answer, "I am 22. She smiles and says, "That's cool." The bus arrives. We get on the bus. I sit near Maria and we continue to talk. I ask, "Do you study?" She says, "Yes, I study English." I say, "Me too. I love English. It is fun." She laughs and says, "Yes, sometimes it is difficult, but I like it." At the next stop, a young man gets on the bus. He looks friendly. I decide to talk to him too. I say, "Hello, my name is Daniel. What is your name?" He says, "Hi, Daniel. My name is Jack. I am from New York." I say, "Nice to meet you, Jack." He says, "Nice to meet you too." Now I am sitting on the bus with two new friends, Maria from Mexico and Jack from New York. I feel happy. We talk about simple things. I ask Jack, "How old are you?" He says, "I am 25. I say, "Oh, you're older than me." He laughs and says, "Yes, a little." When the bus arrives at the city center, we all get off together. The city center is full of people. I see a group of students near the library. They are talking and laughing. I want to meet them too. I walk closer and say, "Hello, my name is Daniel. What are your names?" One girl says, "Hi, my name is Sarah. I am 19. A boy says, "My name is Tom. I am 21. Another girl says, "I am Lisa. I am 22, same as you." I laugh and say, "Nice to meet you, Sarah, Tom, and Lisa." They all say, "Nice to meet you too, Daniel." We all shake hands and smile. I introduce Maria and Jack to them. "This is Maria. She is from Mexico, and this is Jack. He is from New York." Maria says, "Hello. Nice to meet you." Jack says, "Hi. Nice to meet you too." Sarah, Tom, and Lisa all say, "Nice to meet you, Maria." "Nice to meet you, Jack." Now we are a big group. We walk together to the park. In the park, we sit on a bench. We talk about our lives. We ask many questions. Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Do you like music? The questions are simple, but they help us learn about each other. I say, "I am from Texas. I am 22. I study and I work in a coffee shop." Sarah says, "I am from California. I am 19. I study art." Tom says, "I am from Florida. I am 21. I study business." Lisa says, "I am from Chicago. I am 22. I study medicine." Maria says, "I am from Mexico. I am 20. I study English." Jack says, "I am from New York. I am 25. I'm a teacher." We all listen carefully. We laugh and smile. We say many times, Nice to meet you. At the end of the day, I feel very happy. I think, today I meet many new friends. I learn their names, their ages, and where they are from. I say hello. I say nice to meet you. I practice greetings and introductions. When I go home, I tell my mom, Mom, today I made many new friends. Their names are Maria, Jack, Sarah, Tom, and Lisa. She says, Wow, Daniel. That is great. I smile and say, Yes, Mom. A good day starts with a simple word. Hello.